Okay, anyways. Okay, let's go. Let's try clutch case.
On my way home, I'm probably gonna buy like a $10 Steam card again.
Alright. Let's go, Charlie. We're unboxing. Yeah.
Nothing. You can do.
What? 170 bucks.
Yo. This guy has to be the luckiest motherfucker on the team.
Riley, right?
Grayson?
Yeah?
Yo.
I can't even see your screen.
I just got gloves.
Really?
I just got 170 bucks again. I did. I just got gloves. Oh, pink, almost. Pink? A pink? Yo! What is it? Oh, it's pretty bad. Oh, I'm wasting so much money! Oh, red! Oh, red!
Oh, that's nice. How much?
It's the most expensive FAMAS.
$10? That's sick.